Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here. I have 3 Eufy Genie smart speakers with me, and that's because I actually received this a year ago as a beta product tester, and I was not allowed to post anything about it because it was still obviously in development, but this is very close to the final product, so I think I would be able to give you my review. It was mainly just the software updates that they had to continuously release until it was ready for the product shelves. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and just do an unboxing video for this video, and I'll be doing a review in a separate video. Make sure to subscribe for that. So just taking a quick tour around the box, as you can see, this one anyway has a for testing purposes only writing here just to indicate that it is a beta product. Obviously the one you buy on Amazon will not have this. So after removing the shrink wrap, the first thing you greet with is the actual speaker unit itself. This is somewhat going to compete with the Amazon Echo Dot. It's a little bit cheaper than the Dot, so that if you really wanted to have this cheapest smart speaker possible, you can do it with this Eufy Genie. It is compatible with Amazon's Alexa as it would be for a typical Alexa device. Taking a quick look at the top buttons, you have a mute button for the microphone, you have obviously volume controls, and another selection button I would think on the far right. You have dual input microphones right here at the surface, and at the bottom you can see there is a micro USB for charging it, and also a headphone auxiliary jack if you want to listen in wired. And on the bottom you can see the cutouts for the speakers all around, and on the very bottom, the surface part that's going to be touching your tabletop or wherever you choose to place this item is a rubbery material for good grip. Putting that to the side, see what else comes in the box. So on the flip side of the holder portion is actually some ideas that you can use to ask the speaker. You can ask for information, you can ask to play music, you can also control smart devices if they're enabled by Alexa. And then next up we have a basic Quickstart guide, instruction manual, safety, the basic stuff that you would typically find with any kind of product. And on the very bottom we have enclosed in this semi-transparent plastic is the actual charging cord. So by itself it will not hold any charge, so it's not like it's not that portable in that sense. You always need to be plugged in order for it to work. And it looks like we even get a 3.5mm auxiliary jack also included in the box, which is a nice touch. Well, that concludes my unboxing video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to see the review when it comes out. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.